It was an exciting moment to behold as President Muhammadu Buhari watches with great satisfaction and fulfillment as Kebbi State showcases monumental achievements in rice farming and conveying the pleasurable feelings of its farmers, many of whom turned millionaires through the Rice Revolution program of his administration. Consequently, apart from agricultural products, the rich cultural heritage of the land of equity was also on display to show appreciation. Although 24th in its series, the Argungu Fishing and Cultural Festival was last celebrated 11 years ago as a result of security concern.
Today, by the grace of God, this festival is back, and I hope back for good. Just 6 years ago, no one would have expected to see 30 pyramids or multi-billion naira rice mills in any part of rural Nigeria. Today, Argungu and many other agrarian towns have such mills, and I am told many more are coming. The many products displayed here are also proof of the progress we have made as a nation in feeding ourselves. The farming, fishing, and pastoral communities have truly embraced our programs and have proven that we can produce what we need.
The president noted with satisfaction that many international festivals are now being celebrated across Nigeria, thereby not only bringing the people closer together, but also appreciating the nation's diversities while portraying to non-Nigerians the country's cultural heritage and proud history.
In both instances, massive jobs are created in the tourism sector, which we all agree is still not fully developed. We must therefore continue to encourage, support, and promote such festivals. For our farmers, fishing communities, those in the livestock sector, and agro-entrepreneurs, you have truly made me proud.
Kebbi State Governor Atiku Bagudu and the Emir of Argungu, Samaila Muhammad Mera, were full of appreciation to the president for what they called his nationalistic, patriotic, and selfless policies on critical economic sectors, especially agriculture, thereby putting Nigeria on the path to a prosperous and sustainable future.
Even as we are battling drops in crude oil prices, Mr. President, we want to assure you that if we continue as we believe you will and you are doing with the commitment to agriculture, even the challenges in the global economy will have minimal impact on Nigeria.
We commend the federal government on the border closure policy and urge government to maintain the status quo.
During the event, Abdullahi Saidu, Maigandu, and Hajia Kulu Ali Namani Kotoko, who emerged Best Male and Female Farmers of the Year 2020, were recognized and rewarded.